Hey guys, today I am reviewing the sound machine or white noise machine or whatever you call it. I'm sure that all of us at some point had noisy neighbors or barking dogs or other disturbing noises when we were trying to go to sleep or just study or do something else. So this machine is providing this white noise that could distract us from the noises, the outside noises. So let's take a look. It's very simple. It has only basically one on and off button. The on and off button, it has two modes. One is less noise and the other one is a little bit more noise. So let's test it out. Let's test out the lower noise first. And again, this I will talk about in a few seconds. So this is the lower noise with all openings, and you can modify it by, you can hear how the sound changes. Now let's switch to the higher mode. This is the highest mode. And let's turn it off. Okay, so this is a really good sound machine. If you decide to choose another sound machine or something like a Purifier, it might be a bit louder. Like for example, I have a Rabbit Air Purifier. It produces more sound. So if you need something louder than this, you could. So let me demonstrate the noise comparison of my air purifier. This is for comparison purposes only. This is a high mode. And this is a medium mode that I normally use. I want to compare it with the actual sound machine. And this is the high mode here. So I would say this is equals to somewhere between medium and high. Guys, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to submit in the comment section right below.